You've brought a lawsuit against a careless driver, and now your case has come up for trial. Can you walk into court wearing a t-shirt and jeans and torn jeans to go ahead and testify? You want to know the answer? Come join me for a moment as I share with you some really great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney practicing law here in the state of New York. The answer is, no, you can't. But you come back to me and say, wait a second, I don't have any money. I don't have money to afford nice clothes. I don't have really nice things I can wear into court. Well, here's what I will tell you. You find the nicest thing you possibly can. If you're going to church or synagogue, put it on. Find something. See if you can borrow something from someone. Wear a button-down shirt. Wear a nice pair of slacks. Wear some respectable shoes. Don't come in wearing your work boots. Don't come in wearing torn, ripped jeans. Don't come in wearing a t-shirt with holes all over the place. Now, why is that? It's because the jury wants to see you trying to better yourself. They want to see what type of person you are. Now, you may not have any money, and that's okay. You may not be able to afford nice clothes, and that's perfectly okay. But when you walk into a courtroom, you have to give the court proper respect. You know, there are some people who come into court dressed as if they're going to a nightclub. That is the wrong type of clothing to wear. That's the wrong impression you're giving to the jury and to the court. You don't want to do that. Instead, you want to be respectful, you want to be quiet, you want to be clean and neat. And that's the best thing you can do. And you know what? Take a shower, groom yourself, take off any jewelry that you have. You walk into court clean, nice, polite, and importantly, very respectful. And how you dress is an important reflection of you. Why? Because the jury looks at you while you're sitting on the witness stand. The court looks at you, the judge looks at you, the defense attorney looks at you and tries to imagine in their own mind what type of impression you're making on the jury during the course of your testimony. That is really important. So even though you may dress in a t-shirt and jeans at home, you may walk around in your pajamas all day, that's fine. But when you come into the courtroom for your trial, this is a one and only time where you need to dress respectfully, you need to dress down, and you need to be clean and neat. And that will make a huge difference. So why do I share this quick piece of information with you? Because this comes up in every single trial. The injured victim wants to know what they should wear to court. Well, I often tell them what not to wear to court. You know, I realize you're watching this video because you have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in New York and you're thinking about bringing a lawsuit, but you have questions that need to be answered first, what I invite you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day, and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a fantastic day.